Hi guys, welcome to our channel Career with Raji. In this video, we will see the books which is helpful for SSC, RRB, banking and placement preparation for IT jobs. First go with quantitative aptitude. I always prefer RS Agarwal books only because in this book all the topics will be covered. Here you can see this book is helpful for bank, PO, SI, RBI, MBA, SSC combined prelims, UPSC, railway recruitment, campus reference test. So for all the competitive exams, this book is very good, and I always prefer RS Agarwal books. And here you can see the contents which cover in this book, like number system, HCF, LCM numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, averages, problems and ages, profit and loss, pipes and systems, time and work, time and distance, and also simple interest, compound interest, volume and surface area, clocks, calendar, permutations and combinations, probability. So all the topics will be covered under this. In the section 2, you will find the data interpretation like tabulation, bar graphs, pie charts and line graphs. So all the topics will be covered on this book. For every competitive exam, this book is very helpful. Please go with this, guys, because I always recommend to you. And online learning is okay, but but when we study for long hours, it will strain on us. Here you can see they mentioned previously asked questions like RRB 2006, like that, and for like hotel management questions and all they mentioned previously. So it is very helpful for us because in which year this question asked for SSC, like that. And I always prefer this book for beginners and all anyone preparing for competitive exams. And uh, let's see one example for the main preparation of topic. Go, give me 1 minute, I will check and discuss with you. And guys, please practice regularly, then only you will get success, because practice only gives us success. Like one idiom is there, like practice makes man perfect. Like here you can see surds and indices topic, there is an important formula also they given. After that, practice solved examples with the clear explanation answers. And we can see the exam exercise next. So every question have detailed explanation in the answer sheet. After that exercises, you can see that previously asked RRB, SSC, like this. And you can see the answers also. For these answers, explanation is also there and solutions is also very helpful for us. So guys, next we can go with verbal reasoning. For verbal reasoning also, I prefer RS Agarwal. In this verbal reasoning also, all the topics will be covered, like analogy, coding, decoding, excessive. This is also all competitive exams can be used for. And this textbook.com is also good app for us who preparing for competitive. This is also verbal reasoning. In this verbal reasoning, you will find all the topics. You can see the contents. Here you can see series completion, analogy and classification, coding, decoding, and also blood relations, puzzle test, and so many concepts also covered in this book. Here you can see all the topics. And so all the topics will be covered. Please go with these books, guys, because very helpful for me. So with these books only I really get succeed in my career, and I created myself in Wipro as a software engineer with these books only. So these books are very helpful for us. You can see the series completion examples, and they are given the dates and in which year the previous year SSC or RRB, like this. So these are very helpful for us. And most popular book is RS Agarwal, I think, because everyone prefer RS Agarwal books, guys. And also you can see the examples and they are previously asked questions, etc. And here you can see most exercises and also examples with the solutions. So everything will be very clear cut is there in these books. So online study is okay, but for practicing you can prefer this like books and rough notes. So practicing in rough notes makes you success. Here you can see the analogy topic. They give some examples like these countries and also their capitals and animals things, and so they are given like this. So for this you can read all the things. After that you have an exercise, you can solve this. After the exercise you can check your answers. If you do not understand the answer, you can go with solutions with explanation, then it will be very helpful for you. So guys, for any exam, consistency is main important, because one day is not enough for getting success. So practice makes man perfect. So if everyone do with good practice, it is very helpful for you. And also for English also, you can use the lucent English, which is very helpful for any IT guys. You can go with C, let us see book for us. So it is very helpful for you. Like here you can see getting how you see what is the C instructions, looping systems. So all the topics will be covered in this book. So go with this book, guy. And almost quantitative aptitude and verbal reasoning is covered in every exams. So RS Agarwal is the best book. You can please go with this, guys, and all the best for your career.